What's up, guys? Just got my new Lamborghini Hoverboard. I actually got the carbon fiber one. So we're gonna do a first impressions unboxing and check this thing out. Yeah, they packaged it really nicely, and it just folds up like this, and you got your little Lamborghini handy book, how-to book, and then you got your little pack for your battery charger, which I actually have in the house because I charged this already. So this is the tricky part, is getting it actually out of the box. Okay, just like flip this. Shit. Oh, help. Help. Take two of trying to get this hoverboard out of the box. Oh, there we go. Boop. So I believe it comes in like 3 or 4 different colors: yellow, carbon fiber, black, and I think it comes in orange too. So here's our hoverboard. We got some nice big tires, and they actually have the little Lambo logo here. And I like the fact that it has handles on the side so you can pick it up, because this thing is freaking heavy. It has little light sensors to tell you if the battery's charged or not. And it even has the Lambo headlights and tail lights. Check out those rims. Nice. Rolling in style. Let me show you the app that comes with this real quick. So here's the app for the hoverboard. It's called Glideboard Course. But as you can see, we have a nice little speedometer, and then we also have where you can turn the lights on and off. Right there. And then it also has a horn option. And then you have this awesome little setting dial up here, where you can change a bunch of the settings. So you can change the speed, you can change the driving force and the sensitivity when steering. It actually has different modes. So it has inner mode, normal mode, which would be sport, and Corsa, which is advanced mode. So we're gonna turn this hoverboard on and see what it does. It's supposed to make a Lamborghini sound. Just gonna hold this down and start this baby up. And it is a self-balancing hoverboard, so it should straighten out when we turn it on. That was pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna hop on this thing and hopefully I don't fall. Ooh! Whee! Okay, hold on. Reverse. Probably shouldn't do this in cowboy boots either, but okay, we're on. We're okay. This thing is super responsive. So I've ridden 2 other hoverboards before, so I'm not like a pro, but I do have experience. This one is super touchy. Like one little jerk and one little twist and you're fucking moving. Woo! Okay. I don't know if you can see the headlights. We got the Lamborghini Aventador headlights in the front, and we also got the tail lights in the back. And if you've ever ridden a hoverboard before, you kind of just lean forward to go straight, slight lean backwards to go backwards, and then when you want to turn, you just tilt your feet a little bit, whichever way you want to go, and the hoverboard is going to respond to your feet movements. When you do first get your hoverboard, and a lot of hoverboards are like this, you're going to want to calibrate it. So the way this one is supposed to be calibrated is you're supposed to set it down on a flat surface, just the middle without the tires touching. Make sure this is all straight, and you're going to want to press the on button and hold it down until the lights start flashing. So now our lights are flashing and we can turn it back off. And then when you turn it back on, you're gonna wanna set it on the ground and then it should be recalibrated. So now just to show you how the speedometer works, we're gonna get on our hoverboard. As you can see, our dial is moving up. So this thing actually rides through the grass really good. There is another Lamborghini hoverboard, but it's mainly for roads. This one is the off-roading one, so you can go off-roading in it, and it actually speeds through the grass, no problem at all. Have Bluetooth so you can play music on it. So we're gonna turn Pandora on. So that is my first impressions of the Lamborghini hoverboard. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe below, and if you have a hoverboard or you're thinking about getting one, comment below which one you have or which one you're gonna get. And I'll list more details about the hoverboard in the description below. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Let's try this again. Can we retake? This thing is pretty fun. Woo! Oh! That was a close one. I almost fell. Go get yourself a hoverboard. Don't crash. Wear a helmet and bubble wrap.